After childbirth, a woman's body goes through a remarkable transition. The journey of pregnancy and delivery brings tremendous changes, and one area that often requires special attention is the pelvic floor. This group of muscles, ligaments, and tissues forms a supportive hammock at the base of your pelvis, playing a crucial role in supporting pelvic organs, controlling bladder and bowel function, and facilitating sexual health. Understanding pelvic floor health after childbirth is key to a smoother recovery, greater comfort, and long-term well-being. During pregnancy, the growing weight of the baby puts increasing pressure on the pelvic floor. Hormones like relaxin and progesterone soften the connective tissues, preparing the body for birth but also leaving the pelvic muscles more vulnerable to strain. Whether you deliver vaginally or by cesarean section, the events of childbirth can stretch, weaken, or even injure these muscles. Common symptoms of pelvic floor dysfunction after childbirth include urinary leakage, a sensation of heaviness or bulging in the pelvic area, difficulty controlling bowel movements, and pain during intimacy. The experience of every woman is different. Some may recover pelvic floor function quickly, while others may struggle for months or even years with lingering symptoms. Recognizing the signs and understanding the importance of pelvic floor health can empower you to seek help early and restore your confidence and comfort. One of the most common concerns after childbirth is urinary incontinence, or the involuntary leakage of urine, especially when laughing, coughing, sneezing, or lifting something heavy. This occurs because the muscles that help control the bladder may have been weakened or stretched during delivery. It's important to know that this is a common and treatable issue, one that you don't have to simply accept as a part of motherhood. Another issue is pelvic organ prolapse. This happens when the pelvic organs, such as the bladder, uterus, or rectum, descend from their normal positions and push against the vaginal walls. You might notice a feeling of pressure, fullness, or even a bulge in the vaginal area. While this can be alarming, it's important to remember that mild prolapse is relatively common after childbirth and often improves with the right approach. Bowel control can also be affected. Some women experience accidental leakage of gas or stool, or have difficulty emptying their bowels. These symptoms can be distressing, but they are often related to pelvic floor weakness or nerve changes from childbirth. Sexual health is another aspect influenced by pelvic floor integrity. After childbirth, some women notice discomfort, pain, or reduced sensation during intercourse. This can be due to muscle tightness, scarring, or simply the time needed for tissues to heal. Open communication with your partner and healthcare provider, along with gentle rehabilitation, can help restore pleasure and intimacy. So, what can you do to support your pelvic floor health after childbirth? The first step is awareness. Understand that healing takes time, and every woman's recovery is unique. Give yourself permission to be patient and compassionate with your body. Pelvic floor exercises, often called Kegels, are a cornerstone of recovery. These exercises involve tightening and lifting the muscles you would use to stop the flow of urine, holding for a few seconds, and then relaxing. Repeating this several times a day helps strengthen the pelvic floor, improve bladder control, and support the pelvic organs. However, it's important to do them correctly. Many women are unsure if they're engaging the right muscles. If possible, seek guidance from a pelvic health physiotherapist who can tailor exercises to your needs and teach you the proper technique. Breathing and posture also play a role. Learning to coordinate your breath with pelvic floor movement, exhaling gently as you lift the muscles, and inhaling as you relax, can make exercises more effective. Good posture, whether sitting, standing, or lifting your baby, helps reduce stress on the pelvic floor and supports healing. Gradual return to activity is important. While you may be eager to resume exercise or daily routines, listen to your body. Avoid heavy lifting, high-impact activity, or straining in the early weeks after childbirth. When you do return to exercise, choose gentle, low-impact options like walking, swimming, or prenatal yoga, and gradually increase intensity as your strength improves. Bowel habits are another key area. To support your pelvic floor, aim for regular, soft bowel movements by eating a fiber-rich diet, drinking plenty of water, and responding promptly to the urge to go. Avoid straining, which places unnecessary pressure on healing tissues. If you experience persistent symptoms, such as ongoing leakage, pain, or a feeling of heaviness, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare provider. A pelvic health physiotherapist can assess your muscles, identify specific issues, and develop a personalized treatment plan. Sometimes, symptoms may be caused by factors other than muscle weakness, such as muscle overactivity or scar tissue, which require a different approach. In some cases, medical treatments or interventions may be recommended. These can include pessaries, devices to support pelvic organs, medications for bladder or bowel control, or surgical options for more severe cases. However, most women find significant improvement with conservative measures like physiotherapy and lifestyle changes. Emotional well-being is just as important as physical health. Pelvic floor issues after childbirth can be frustrating, embarrassing, or even isolating. Remember, you are not alone. Millions of women experience similar challenges, and support is available. Talk openly with your healthcare team, seek out support groups, and give yourself grace as you heal. Pelvic floor health is an ongoing journey, not just a concern for the weeks after childbirth. Maintaining strong, flexible pelvic muscles benefits you throughout your life, supporting core strength, bladder and bowel control, and sexual enjoyment. Regular practice of pelvic floor exercises, awareness of body mechanics, and periodic check-ins with a healthcare provider can help you stay strong and healthy for years to come. In summary, childbirth is a profound event that transforms your body and your life. By learning about pelvic floor health, practicing mindful self-care, and seeking help when needed, you can recover more fully, regain your confidence, and embrace the joys of motherhood with strength and resilience. Your body is remarkable. Honor its journey, trust in its ability to heal, and know that support is always within reach.